I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Office 365 license, and that OneDrive is enabled for your account. Once done, install the OneDrive desktop app or open OneDrive in the Office 365 portal. Choose the desktop route for seamless sync. Sign in with your work or school credentials and accept permissions so folders can sync. Make sure to enable files on demand if you want space savings. This lets you view everything without downloading all files locally. Now organize and sync the files you need. You choose which folders sync from the OneDrive settings. Pick Documents, Desktop, or specific project folders to avoid wasting local space. Use drag and drop into the OneDrive folder or save as from apps to place files directly in the cloud. Create clear folders and consistent names so collaboration works. Once shared links are created, colleagues access the right version. Make sure sync completes before heavy editing to prevent conflicts. Finish by sharing and collaborating. Select a file, choose Share, and set link permissions like editing, expiration, or blocking download. Use Office Online to co-author in real time so changes merge automatically. OneDrive keeps version history so you can restore previous copies if needed. If sync conflicts appear, pause sync, resolve local edits, then resume. This prevents duplicates. As a quick troubleshooting tip, if files won't sync, sign out and back in, or reset the OneDrive app to re-establish a clean sync state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.